How to turn on or turn off show extra details for color info on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on phone app. After click on phone app, click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in call settings, scroll down and click on color information. After click on color information, you will see show extra details is here. If you want to turn off show extra details, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see show extra details is turn off. If you want to turn on show extra details, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see show extra details is turn on. You will turn on or turn off show extra details from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off show extra details for color info on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.